Now, we know life can get hard sometimes, and there are also times when we're low on cash. And if you're at that point in your life right now, well, we're here to make it better. In today's video, we're going to be showing you websites or apps that's basically going to be paying you to browse the web among other easy tasks, and in return, they're going to compensate you well. All you're going to need is either a laptop or a computer or a tablet or a phone, and of course, a stable internet connection, and you're pretty much ready and set to go start earning money with today's method. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. The very first app we have is called Mobile Expression, and this is how their website looks like if you look it up on a computer or a laptop. Now, as you can see, welcome to Mobile Expression. We reward people like you for helping us improve the internet. Become part of our research community of over 2 million members today and start earning rewards. How it works: we reward people like you for helping us improve the internet. Become part of our research community and start earning. Here's what you're going to need to do. Install our software on your mobile device. Number 2, claim your earned credits each week. And number 3, redeem those credits for e-gift cards or cash. We've given away $5 million, over $5 million. That's real rewards to real people like you. To sign up, just download it on your mobile phone, so look it up on Google Play Store or the App Store. And this is how that app should look like. This is what you're supposed to find. So just install it on your phone, on your device, whatever that is. Then sign up as soon as you have it on your phone and start earning literally just like that. This app has a 4.2 rating out of 5, which is actually pretty good. And there have been over 50,000 people who've used this app and who continue to use this app to this day because of all the great things about it. So make sure you try this app, and that's it for this website. Next app or website is called LeapForce or Remote Tasks, and this is how their website should look like if you look them up on your computer. Earn in US dollars doing online tasks from home. Join our community of over 240,000 taskers. How it works: do tasks, get paid. It's that simple. From labeling images to transcribing audio, earn money completing simple tasks. You're gonna learn easily. Learn how to do tasks with our quick online courses or free hands-on training. Then complete tasks. Work on tasks from projects you've unlocked. And finally, get paid in US dollars weekly. Get paid fast via PayPal or AirTM based on your quality and number of tasks completed. You can get free training. There's no prior experience required. Even this website itself is going to teach you everything that you need to know. You're going to learn how to do tasks from their online courses, or you can join their free bootcamp program to get hands-on training by certified team members. You can unlock your potential, level up and earn more, get trained on more difficult tasks that pay more. Some facts are: how do we earn? You're paid per accepted task. The amount paid will vary depending on task complexity. We'll pay you via PayPal on Thursdays, so please be sure to have a valid PayPal email in your account before Monday, 12 a.m. UTC, to be eligible to receive payout the following Thursday. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below, because we have a pleasant surprise there that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. So make sure you check out our description box down below for that surprise. Also, let me know what payment method you would prefer: PayPal, Payoneer, whatever that may be. Let me know in the comments down below, because I'd love to know and read through them, and maybe I can even respond to some. But for now, let's get back into the video. How to withdraw my earnings. After signing up, please be sure to add a PayPal email on your profile. This is as easy as going to your account page in your dashboard and then entering your PayPal email address and country details. Make sure to save the changes and you'll be able to visit paypal.com and get one free. Will I really get paid? We have thousands of taskers working on our platform that get paid every week. If you'd like to connect with one of them, let us know. Do I have to work a minimum number of hours to get a payout? There is no minimum to get paid each week. Those are just a few facts. You can read the rest on the website itself, but that's basically remote tasks for you. To sign up, just click on sign up, proceed with the registration process like any other, and just like that, start working and start earning. So that's it for this website, and let's move on to the last one. Now, the last website or app, and obviously the highest paying one, is called mypoints.com, and this is that website. Earn points by shopping at your favorite stores. MyPoints members get up to 40% back with every purchase at 2,000 top retailers like Walmart, Best Buy, Home Depot, and Amazon. MyPoints works at your favorite stores. Start shopping at mypoints.com and find the latest sales, coupons, promo codes, and deals at thousands of stores for the March 2022. Before we finish up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And also let us know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see next so we can note them down and maybe do it for our next video. Now let's continue. Earn points on your purchases. Earn points on every dollar that you spend. Follow our links and let the shopping begin. Points will be added to your account when your order is reported to us. Download scores so you never miss a deal. Get alerts in your browser for point earning opportunities and coupon codes when you shop online. Get paid to answer surveys. Earn points when you share your opinion by completing online surveys. Share your interests and buying habits with leading brands and merchants. Redeem your points for gift cards and more. Cash out your points whenever you want for your favorite gift card or get it transferred to your PayPal account so you can withdraw it in cash. So make sure that you sign up for this website as well to start remembering. Remember, all of these are super brand new and fresh and will pay you really good money. So we suggest that you try all three to get the best results possible. And that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.